So I picked up some rub and buff, which is a wax metallic finish, and I'm just reading the package here. It's supposedly not paint, it's wax, and it's self-sealing. I got four colors: silver, black, antique gold, and gold leaf. It's only about $5 a tube at the time I bought it on Amazon, and I'll drop a link for it. I'm not selling it. Try it if you want, but we're going to see if it works at all. So we're going to try to put it in this engraving right here. I've been practicing on the glass, so I ate it up pretty good. So we're going to take the best one and put some of this gold leaf in it. And it says it's self-sealing, so maybe it'll be okay. I'm sure if you put it on a piece of wood or something, you could add some lacquer to it. And just get these out of the way. And it says it will stain your hand, so I'm just going to get a little bit and rub in here. You're supposed to rub it in, leave it on for 30 to 60 seconds, and then gently buff it off. So we'll see how that works out. Looks like it's going in pretty good. I might have used too much. I sometimes go overboard. But that's alright. Looks like it's in there, so we'll leave it there for 30 to 60 seconds and wipe off that residue with a soft cloth as prescribed, and we'll see how that works. Alright, that's about 30 seconds. So we're just going to buff this off. Hopefully. I hope that's showing up good. I don't want to have to do this glass again. I was going to use another piece of glass, but I couldn't find it, so I got too much junk in the shop. I think that's about it. See if this will show up good. Let me cut this light off and try it. Maybe that'll help it show up better. Oh yeah, that's better. At least it's in focus now. So I don't know, this stuff might be okay. So I'll put a link down in the description. You can pick some up. It was $5 when I bought it, but that was about 6 months ago, so it's probably gone up. I just happened to open the right drawer and saw it laying there and thought I should give this stuff a try. All right, folks, let me know if you have questions, and just check back often for new videos. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.